Now see some exercise problem for subtraction of algebraic expression. Okay. See the first problem. Subtract the following. The first one, (13x squared from 7x squared). Okay, 13x squared from 7x squared means from 7x squared. So first of all you can write in this 7x squared. Okay, so 7x squared, put minus symbol, 13x squared. Now everybody clear in this one? After that, here x squared is the common value. Okay, so you can take x squared common value. Write the remaining value. What is that remaining? 7 minus 13. Okay, see here in this one, here the 7 sign is plus, 13 sign is minus. So which sign you have to use it the answer? See, already I told to you. See here, the total sign is come means you have to see the largest value and that sign you have to take. Okay, the sign difference means which one is largest? 13 is a larger. That means and that sign is minus. So you have to put minus. After that you have to subtract largest value to smallest value. See 13 minus 7. What is 13 minus 7? 6. Write in this x squared. So what is your answer? Minus 6x squared. Okay. See the next problem. 2a minus 7b from a plus 10b. Okay. Everybody know from the expressions will come means you have to take in that value first. Okay, so write a plus 10b. The two terms will appear, so you have to put the bracket minus. After that write in this second expression 2a minus 7b. Everybody clear? Okay, because this is a subtraction concept. Okay, so now you have to remove the bracket first. How can you remove? So write a plus 10b. First expression directly you have to write. After that in this minus multiply inside the bracket. So what will you get? Minus, in this one is plus. Plus minus into plus minus. Write this 2a. And then same sign. The same sign means what I told to you. Same sign, plus or minus you have to put plus sign. Okay, see here the minus into minus you have to put plus 7b. After that you have to arrange this expression. Okay, that means arrange this concept. See here first a, the next minus 2a. After that write 10b plus 7b. Okay, what is a minus 2a? A or minus a? So many students confused for in this one. In subtraction or addition means you have to see first which one is largest, or otherwise wait. See here a is the common value. Okay, write a is the common value. Write the remaining value. What is that? 1 and then minus 2. Similarly b is the common value. Write the remaining value 10 plus 7. See here what is 1 minus 2? You will get confused plus 1 or minus 1. See your terms, which value. See here the different sign will appear. See one sign is plus, two sign is minus. So different sign. Here plus, this one is minus. Or minus or plus, the different sign will appear means see the largest value. Don't see the sign first. See the different sign appear means see which one is largest value, 1 or 2. 2 is the largest value and that sign you can take. See, you can take minus. Now you can subtracting largest value to smallest value. So what is 2 minus 1? 1. And then a. Plus, see here the both are plus. Okay, directly you can add 17b. What is minus 1 into a? Minus a. Plus 17b is your answer. Everybody clear? Now, see the next problem. A cube plus 3a squared b minus b cube from 3a cube minus 4a squared b squared minus 7b cube. Okay, see. What is your question? The first expression from second expression. From second expression will appear means you have to write this second expression first. What is that? 3a cube minus 4a squared b squared minus 7b cube. And then put minus symbol. Write the first expression. What is the first expression? A cube plus 3a squared b minus b cube. Okay, after that first expression you have to write here. After that you have to multiply the minus inside the bracket first. See here, minus into plus minus. Okay, and then a cube. In this one minus 3a squared b, minus into plus minus. Next minus into minus plus b cube. Okay, now you have to remove the bracket. See here, no need for the bracket here. See, 3a cube minus 4a squared b squared minus 7b cube minus a cube minus 3a squared b plus b cube. Okay, after that you have to arrange the concept. See here, 3a cube. Next in this one minus a cube. After that minus 4a squared b squared. Any other a squared b squared? No. Okay, right. The next minus 7b cube plus b cube. Okay, now you can put minus 7b cube plus b cube. After that minus a cube already you have to write. Then minus 3a square b. Okay. Now you have to simplifying in this one, you will get the result. Here a cube is the common. What is the remaining? 3 minus 1. After that write minus 4a squared b squared. Here b cube is common. Write the remaining value. What is that? Minus 7 plus 1. Then minus 3a squared b. Okay. Now what is 3 minus 1? 2. A cube. Minus 4 a square b squared, and then see here minus 7 plus 1. The sign was different. So see the largest value and that sign you have to put. After that subtract the largest value to smallest value. So what is 7 minus 1? 6. So you have to put 6b cube and then minus 3a square b. Everybody clear? That is the answer. Okay, see in your given expression 2, the first expression from second expression means from second expression first you have to write minus, write the first expression. After that you have to multiply in this minus inside the bracket, so you will get in this one. Okay, next you have to arrange the order. See 3a cube, here minus a cube. Minus 4a squared b squared only is there. So you have to write. Next minus 7b cube plus b cube. Now you have to write. Next minus 3a squared b. In this one a cube is the common value. So you have to write. Next minus 4a squared b squared plus here b cube is the common value. So you can take b cube is the common here. Write the remaining one is minus 7 plus 1. After that you have to write 3a squared b. Now 3 minus 1, what is that? 2. Okay, a cube minus 4a squared b square. Next see here minus or plus, which sign you have to put here? Already I told to you sign was different means you can see the largest value and that sign you have to take here. Okay, so 7 is the largest value and that sign is minus, you have to put minus. After that you have to subtract the largest value to smallest value. So what is that? 7 minus 1. What is 7 minus 1? 6. Right, this b cube minus 3a squared b. Right, this is the answer. Okay. Now see the next problem. Simplify. 11x squared plus 7xy minus 4y squared minus of minus 6x squared plus 4xy minus 9y squared. Okay, this is the question. Everybody know this one, right? See here, the first expression you have to write. What is that? 11x squared plus 7xy minus 4y squared. Okay, after that you have to multiply in this minus in this bracket. So what will you get? See, minus into minus plus 6x squared minus into plus minus 4xy minus into minus plus 9y squared. First of all you have to write in this step. After that you have to arrange the terms. What is that? See here, 11x squared plus 6x squared. Okay, next 7xy minus 4xy. After that see here, minus 4y squared. Next plus 9y squared. Now you have to arrange the question. Now see which value is common here. X squared is the common. So write x squared. What is the remaining value? 11 plus 6. Right. Okay. Next xy is the common. So you have to put what is the remaining value? 7 minus 4. Next y squared is the common. Write the remaining value. What is that? Minus 4. See here, minus 4 is here plus 9. Now simplifying in this one, see what is 11 plus 6? 17 x squared. Okay, right. What is 7 minus 4? 3. Write this xy. 7 minus 4, 3. Write this xy. Okay, next see here which sign you have to put. Different sign is here. Here also the different sign, but everybody knows 7 minus 4, 3. Here also the same. 9 minus 4. What is 9 minus 4? 5. Directly you can put 5 y squared, or otherwise which one is the largest? 9. And that sign you have to put. After that you have to subtract largest value to smallest value. What is 9 minus 4? 5. So your answer is 17x squared plus 3xy plus 5y squared. Everybody clear? Okay. See, next. This can also be done in the following way. See here, the another method I can do here. See, I can take the first expression. What is that? 11x squared plus 7. Okay. See here, 7xy minus, this is 7. Okay. Minus 4y squared, and then subtraction symbol is here. Next, what is that? Minus 6x squared plus 4xy minus 9y squared. Okay, see here. Now you have to subtract off in that means, see, subtraction symbol. The subtraction means you have to change the sign. Right, so you have to change the sign. Minus means plus, plus means minus, minus plus. You have to change the sign. Okay, now forgot this sign. See, in this sign you can take 6x squared. Okay, what is 11x squared plus 6x squared? 17x squared. Next, see, 7xy minus 4xy, what is that? That means xy is the common, right? 7 minus 4. What is 7 minus 4? 3. Okay, here plus. Y squared you have to put minus 4 plus 9. What is minus 4 plus 9? Plus 5. Okay, ma? See here, what is that? In this one, you have to sign changes because of subtraction symbol is here. So you have to change the sign. This is another way. Which one is easy? You can proceed on that method. Okay. See the next problem. From the sum of a squared minus 7a plus 10 and 3a squared plus 4a minus 15. Subtract 2a squared plus a minus 9. Okay. See here the 3 expression was given. From the sum of a squared minus 7a plus 10 and 3a squared plus 4a minus 15. Subtract 2a squared plus a minus 9. How can you find it out in that one? See here. See, first find the sum of in this two. Okay, your question is from the sum. Sum means addition. Sum of in this two. Okay, now you can add. What is that? A squared minus 7a plus 10. Then 3a squared plus 4a minus 15. First you can add off in that value. See here a squared plus 3a squared. What is that? 4a squared. Next minus 7a plus 4a. See here a is the common. Which value is largest? 7, and that sign you have to put here. Now subtract the largest value to smallest value. What is 7 minus 4? 3. So minus 3a. After that, see here which one is the largest value? 15, and that sign you have to put. Next subtract largest value to smallest value. What is 15 minus 10? 5. So you will get the another expression, that means 4a squared minus 3a minus 5. Okay. Now we subtract. See your question. Subtract in this value, right? So we have to write next line. We subtract. Write this. What is that? 2a squared plus a minus 9 from. Okay. Write in this addition value. What is that value? 4a squared minus 3a minus 5. See, everybody know from expression means you have to write on that expression first. Okay. See, 4a squared minus 3a minus 5. Write this one. What is that? 2a squared plus a minus 9. Now from means you have to subtract. Okay. See here. How can you subtract off in that one? First you have to sign change. Plus means minus. Plus minus. Minus means plus. First of all, you can change the sign. Okay. Now you have to simplifying in this one. In this sign, you can consider this value. Okay. This concept. See here 4a squared minus 2a squared. See 4a squared minus 2a squared. Here a squared is the common. Right. A squared. What is 4 minus 2? 2. Okay. Next minus 3a minus a. What is that minus 3a minus a? minus 3a minus a, here a is the common, write minus 3 minus 1. What is minus 3 minus 1? Minus 4a. Next, minus 5 plus 9. Sign was different, or otherwise directly you can see 9 minus 5 plus 9 minus 5. What is the answer? Plus 4. So your answer is 2a squared minus 4a plus 4. Everybody clear? This is your answer. See, in your question is, from the sum of two expression was given. After that, and that answer you have to subtract off in this expression. So first of all, you can add in this sum. You will get one solution. Next, take in this value, subtract another expression. So in this answer right here, another subtraction expression you have to take. Subtraction means you have to change the sign first. So here plus means minus, plus minus, minus means plus. Now you have to simplify. What is that? 4a squared minus 2a squared means 2a squared. Next, minus 3a minus a means minus 4a. Next, minus 5 plus 9 means what you have to write? Plus 4. This is your answer. Everybody clear? Thank you.